Today we are going to study human nervous system. This human nervous system divided into two main parts, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. This central nervous system further divided into two parts, brain and spinal cord. This brain is further divided into three parts, forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain again divided into three parts, cerebrum, hypothalamus, pituitary gland. And hindbrain further divided into three parts, cerebellum, pons and medulla. Now first part of central nervous system is brain. This is the picture of human brain, and this brain is the control unit of nervous system. It is located inside the skull and protected by cranium, a bony box, and covered by three membrane that is known as meninges. And between this membrane a fluid present that is known as cerebrospinal fluid, and this fluid protect the brain from mechanical shock. This brain is divided into three regions, forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. First, forebrain. It is the most important part of the brain, and it is divided into three parts, cerebrum, hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Cerebrum, it is the largest part and main thinking part, and it is the site of listening, learning and memory. It controls all our actions and movement, and also control voluntary action like writing, riding the bicycle, etc. Now next is hypothalamus. It is the small region, and it control and regulate hunger, thirst, body temperature, etc. And also it connecting link between nervous system and endocrine system, because it connects to the pituitary gland. And also cerebrum has a different region for different function. First is occipital lobe. It is the main region of sight. Second is temporal region, lobe. It is the main site of hearing. Third one is frontal lobe. It is the main region of higher mental activities. And last one is parietal lobe. It is the site of taste, smell and touch. Also they have two area, sensory area and motor area. The function of sensory area, it receive impulse from sensory organ, and the function of motor area is it send instruction to muscles and gland. Now next is midbrain. It connect to forebrain and hindbrain. It control reflex movement of head, trunk and neck in response to visual and auditory stimuli. Now last one is hindbrain. It is made up of three parts, cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata. First is cerebellum. It is the second largest part of the brain. It control and coordination of body movement and posture like walking, dancing, etc. Next is pons. It take part in regulating respiration. Third one is medulla oblongata. It is also known as brainstem. It control involuntary action like heartbeat, blood pressure, etc. It is the floor of hind brain and continue into the spinal cord. Now, the second part of central nervous system is spinal cord. It is cylindrical shape, or it is located inside the vertebral column, that is also known as backbone. 31 pairs of nerves arise from it. It supplies information to brain, and the function is spinal cord is it control the reflex action. Next is pons. It take part in regulating respiration. Third one is medulla oblongata. It is also known as brainstem. It control involuntary action like heartbeat, blood pressure, etc. It is the floor of hind brain and continue into the spinal cord. Now, the second part of central nervous system is spinal cord. It is cylindrical shape, or it is located inside the vertebral column, that is also known as backbone. 31 pairs of nerves arise from it. It supplies information to brain, and the function is spinal cord is it control the reflex action. Now last topic is function of brain. Brain receives information carrying nerves impulse from all the sensory organ of the body. Second, it responds to the impulse brought by sensory organ, sending its own instruction through the motor nerve to the muscles and glands. Third is, it correlates the various stimuli from different sense organ and produce the most appropriate and intelligent response. Fourth is, it coordinates the body activities so that the mechanism and chemical reaction of the body work together efficiently. Fifth function, it stores information so that behavior can be modified according to the past experience.